Take evaluations, which could include a quiz, midterm, or final exam, using quizzes. This tutorial shows how to take a quiz in Brightspace Learning Environment. To begin, from the quiz list page, navigate to the quiz you want to take and click it. Read the details. This gives you important information such as the quiz period, due date, time allotted, and number of attempts. Read the quiz instructions carefully. The instructions contain important information, such as whether you can look back at pages of the quiz you have already completed, or what happens if you don't finish the quiz in the allotted time. When you are ready, click Start Quiz. If your quiz is timed, the time limit and the time remaining appear following the quiz name. An outline showing the number of questions and page structure appear in the Questions section. For example, this quiz has 6 questions and 1 question per page. Quizzes can include a wide variety of types of questions, such as multiple choice, short answer, essay, or even mathematical questions. Enter your response for each question. When you are satisfied with your response, click Save. Note, it is recommended you save your responses after you answer each question. The Save icon in the Questions section confirms that your response has been saved. When you are ready to move on to the next question, click Next Page. In some cases, your instructor may restrict you from moving backwards in a quiz. If so, you will need to acknowledge that you want to proceed with the quiz. When you're done answering all the questions, click Go to Submit Quiz. When you are ready, click Submit Quiz. The submission summary displays. Your instructor may choose to make your results available to you right away or at a later date. If you make multiple attempts at a quiz, your attempt score and overall grade may be different to reflect the scoring method your instructor chooses. For example, the overall grade can reflect the average number of attempts or the highest score achieved. When you have finished reviewing the summary, click Done. Take evaluations, which could include a quiz, midterm, or final exam, using quizzes.